Winters are cozy for us. But for babies, cold weather can mean dry skin, irritation, and painful diaper rashes.
Let's learn how to keep your little ones bum soft, happy, and rash-free, even on chilly days. In winters, the air gets dry. Your baby's skin loses moisture faster, and diapers stay on longer because they feel warm. All of this increases the chances of diaper rash.
Even in winter, diapers must be changed regularly. Every 2 to 3 hours, or immediately if wet or dirty.
A clean diaper equals a happy bum. Give your baby some diaper-free time every day.
Just 10 to 15 minutes lets the skin breathe and keeps moisture away.
Use a waterproof mat and let those tiny legs dance. Before putting on a fresh diaper, apply a thick layer of barrier cream, zinc oxide, petroleum jelly.
It forms a shield that prevents irritation from pee and poop. Wet wipes can make skin colder and drier.
Instead, use soft cotton plus lukewarm water whenever you can. Your baby's skin will thank you. A diaper that's too tight traps moisture.
A diaper that's too loose rubs against skin.
Choose the perfect fit, snug but not tight.
Winters may be cold, but diaper rash doesn't have to be part of the season. With a little care and a lot of love, your baby stays warm, comfy, and rash-free. Because happy bums equals happy babies.